will help us see if there is any subtle abnormalities such as bulges or any conditions that we couldn't see after having our self-test examination. So after that, we are going to put our both hands crossed at the back of our head. Now this will test our breast mobility. So this will also help us see the contours that we couldn't see and see any underlying issues. Now after that, we are going to take note of the changes of contours such as bulges, indentations that could lead up to that could serve as underlying conditions that could see a tumor or indicate malignancies. Now to proceed with that, we're going to inspect our axillary region. So to inspect our axillary region, we are expected to raise your left arm and put it on top of your head. Now you're going to inspect your axillary region, expected that there will be a lymph node. So this lymph node is somehow connected to our breast. That's why some other doctors are very sensitive when it comes to our hygiene, right? When it comes to day, because we have here our axillary region and it has lymph nodes that could lead up to, if there is any underlying issues, it could lead up to a cancer. Now let's proceed to checking your breast. After checking the axillary region for its hardness or enlargement, we're expected to check the outer